Very good morning, all beloved students. Welcome back to our online class for today. And today is Wednesday, July 22nd, 2020. Okay, students, so this is the first section. According to our schedule for today, we are going to learn about, blueprint 3. And the last section, we are going to learn about writing bright book 2. Okay, students? Alright, so we are going to continue our lessons, lesson 5. Okay, the jobs descriptions. And here are the vocabulary that we have learned so far, and teacher would like to review you for today. And the main topic for today that we are going to, teacher would like to teach you is about grammar, part D. You can open your book to page 45, then you will see the topic that we are going to learn for today. Today we learned about infinitive in common phrases. Okay, infinitive in common phrases. So you will see about the infinitive plus verb, right? As you know already about the verb, about the infinitive. Infinitive mean, okay, so infinitive mean two verb, right? Two verb. This is infinitive, right? So today we will learn about the infinitive in common phrases. Okay, so before we get started with our new topic for today, let's teacher review you what we have learned so far in this lesson. Okay, so what teacher would like to review you today is about vocabulary, and we have from 1 until 6 vocabulary that teacher would like to review you. Okay, students, so now let's teacher read it for you first, and you repeat after me. After that, teacher will explain you about the definition of all these verbs and phrases for you. Right. So number 1, job description. Number 2, in charge of. Okay. Number 3, project. Number 4, department head. Number 5, brand. Right. Brand. Number 6. Familiar with. Again, familiar with, brand, department head, project, in charge of, job description. Okay, so students, now let's repeat after me all together. Job description. Again, job description. In charge of. Project. Again, project. Number 4, department head. Again, department head. Number 5, brand. Again, brand. Number 6, familiar with. Again, familiar with, brand, department head, project, in charge of, job description. Again, job description. Okay, students, so who can tell me about job description? Okay, so you know already about the word job, right? You know about job means what we have to do, and description, describing about something. Okay, so job description means describing about the job or the responsibility that we have to do for that job. Okay, for example, I'm a teacher, so my job is teaching, right? So my responsibility should be about teaching. Right? Number 2, in charge of. Okay, in charge of means in control. Or can be the responsibility that we have to do, right? Okay. Number 3, project. What does it mean, project? Project, we talk about the work that we have to achieve. Okay, project, it functions as a noun. Number 4, department head. You know already about the word department and head. So head means above, okay, above, and department is its meaning similar with the word part. So department head, we can say the head of something, of department or some part. Okay. Number 5, brand. Brand, we talk about the name of the product. Okay, the name of the product is called brand. Number 6, familiar with. Okay, students, so familiar with, what does it mean? This phrase means, okay, you know that familiar with this is called phrasal verbs, okay, and its meaning also idiom. So example, this means having knowledge to do something, or having good knowledge to do something, right? Okay, now that's all with the review of one. We move to our, okay, we move to our main point for today, okay, student. If you're not sure where the topic is, you can open your book to page 45, then you will see what we have, what we are going to study for today. Okay, students, so today we learned about infinitive in common phrases. So we use infinitive with some phrases, okay. Number one, so need to plus verb, need to plus verb. So to verb, it is infinitive, right? Okay, so common phrases that we have to learn for today is about need to plus verb. Okay, it means that must do something. Okay, let's take a look at this phrase, the one that teacher have circled. So need to work, need to work. So this phrase we call infinitive in common phrases. Okay, we use infinitive in common phrases, and its meaning need to work. Its meaning must do something. Okay, must do something. This is its meaning. Example: you'll need to work closely with them at the beginning. So need to work. Need to work, its meaning must do something. Okay, so this called infinitive in common phrases. Right, so let's move to number two. Number two, be able to plus verb. So be able to, its meaning similar with the word can. Okay, can. So its meaning can do something. Can do something. So example, you must be able to work. You must be able to work means that can work, okay? Can work on current projects. Again, be able to plus verb. Okay, so you know be here, be can be is as well. Okay. Its meaning can do something. Okay, example, you must be able to work on current projects. So be able to work, its meaning can do something. Okay, we got with this? Can do something, can do somewhat, can do work on current projects. Got with this? Okay, these are called infinitive in common phrases. Now let's move to another phrases. Okay, know how to plus verb. Know how to plus verb. What does it mean? Have knowledge of the way to do something. Have knowledge means we can do something. Example, you need to know about. You need to know about. To know how. Sorry. You need to know how to work on a team. So look at this. Know how to work. It means have knowledge of the way to do something. Got with this? This is called infinitive of in common phrases. Move to number 4, the last one. Number 4, in order to plus verb. In order to plus verb. When do we use it? In order to plus verb, we use it when with the purpose of doing something. Purpose of doing something. Okay. In order to get started as soon as possible, you have to. Okay, you have to learn more or search about the information. Example. Okay, so this phrase we talk about with the purpose of doing something. Okay, so purpose of doing something in order to become a good. Okay, in order to become a good student, you have to work hard or to study hard. Okay, you got this? So this is the purpose of doing something. If you want to be a good student, in order to be a good student, you have to study hard. Okay, so this is called purpose of doing something. Now that's all with the infinitive in common phrases. Do you have any question? Okay, so infinitive in common phrases, this is just tell you that verbs, okay, some verbs that it will change meaning, okay, when we use it, or we have another meaning for those infinitive, okay, or we have their own meaning for that phrase. Like you can say need to work, need to work, need to work. These phrases, its meaning must to do something, and be able to work, be able to work, or be able to plus verb. So it means can do something, and know how to plus verb, know how to work. So it means have knowledge of doing something. In order to plus verb, we talk about the purpose of doing something. In order to get started as soon as possible, you have to research about their company. Okay, just example. Now you got with this, everyone? Okay, if you still have any questions, just leave your question below this video, and home teacher will answer your question. Or you can chat directly to me as well through our Telegram. Okay, students. So now this is the end of the first section, and teacher hope to see you guys on the second section. Please have a nice breakfast. Goodbye.